In this video, I'm going to share with you two examples of complex fractions as you see on the screen. The first step would be changing the division to multiplication, and you need to flip this fraction right after the division sign. So 4 over 9, we keep it that way. 14 over 25 remains unchanged, and we change division to multiplication and we flip the fraction right after, same at the bottom. So 10 over 22 times 33 over 25 times 1/3. A lot of students tend to multiply all numerators and all denominators, which is not wise, because the numbers are going to be very huge, and then simplifying would be a problem here. So we need to simplify as much as we can before we multiply. So I think 25 and 75, you can simplify these two. 25 divided by 25 is 1, and 75 divided by 25 is 3. Also, you can simplify 14 and 21, both are divisible by 7. So 14 divided by 7 is 2, and 21 divided by 7 is 3. Also, these two 3's become 1 and 1 because both are divisible by 3 itself. So yeah, this is what we get. I think there is no more simplifying here. At the bottom, likewise, we'll simplify 10 and 25. Both are divisible by 5, so it's going to be 5, and here is 2. Also, we can simplify 22 and 33. Both are divisible by 11, so it's going to be 3. Also, these two 2's cancel each other out. These two 3's cancel each other out. So what remains on top is what I see on top. I'm going to highlight them with yellow. So this is the number that remains on top. This is another one, and this is the last one. So it means we will have 8 over 9 on top. At the bottom, what I see is just this 5 here. Therefore, we will have 1 over 5. Also, we know that a fraction can be written as division. So we write 8 over 9 over 1/5. Or 8 over 9 times 5 over 1. So there is no chance to simplify here because 9 has 3 as a factor only, so you can't simplify 3 and 5 or 3 and 8, so we have 40 over 9. Yes, this is the first example. The second example is even more complex since it involves addition and exponents. Let's see. So this example is 2/3 minus 5 over 2 times 3 over 4 divided by 45 over 12. And at the bottom we have 1 minus 2/3 squared divided by 2/5. So according to the order of operations, we need to do this part first. So I'm going to do it somewhere else. So 5 over 2 times 3 over 4. And I'm going to change at the same time division to multiplication by flipping the fraction right after. So now we need to simplify. I'd say 5 divided by 5 is 1, and 45 divided by 5 is 9. Also, 9 divided by 3 is 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Next one would be 12 divided by 4 is 3, and 4 divided by 4 is 1. Also, you can cross out these 3's here. So what I see on top is just 1, and at the bottom is 2. So it means the final answer to this part is 1/2. Okay, let's take this 1/2 and put it here. Therefore, we will have 2/3 minus 1/2. So at the bottom, again, order of operations tells us that we need to do the bracket first. So I'm going to do 1 minus 2/3 squared. So 1 minus 2/3 is 1/3 squared, which means 1/3 times 1/3, or 1/9. So therefore we have 1/9 divided by 2 over 5, or times 5 over 2. So on top, we need common denominator, which is 6, and then 4 minus 3, and at the bottom we have 5 over 18. So 1/6 over 5 over 18, which can be written as 1/6 divided by 5 over 18, or 1/6 times 18 over 5. So we can simplify 6 and 18. 6 divided by 6 is 1. 18 divided by 6 is 3. And the final answer should be 3 over 5, if I haven't done any silly mistake or mistakes. Thank you for watching.